Heads up, if you want to study in Australia in the future, there's a new and huge change in the student visa application process. So before, isa sa requirements is yung GTE or ang Genuine Temporary Entrant. Ngayon, it is replaced by the GSR or the Genuine Student Requirement. So ano yung major differences between the two? So yung GTE is a 300-word essay na nag-explain ng bakit sa Australia mo gustong mag-aral, ano yung course na kukunin mo, what are your family ties, just to really express na yung temporary intent mo sa Australia, which is really is to study. And sa GTE then, you could express your plans on permanent migration sa Australia after your graduation. Now with the GSR, you could still answer those questions. Now, there are already targeted questions formulated by the stakeholders in the education sector dun sa Australia. So through these questions, they will be able to see the insights of the students and yung motivations nila kung bakit gusto nilang mag-aral sa Australia without the intent of migration or permanent residency doon. So with this new GS requirement, tinitignan talaga nila kung inspired ka ba talaga or kung ano talaga yung motivation mo kung bakit gusto mong mag-aral sa Australia. This is in line with the plan of the Australian government to streamline visa processes and to broaden their migration system. I think this is a very huge change from a subjective approach to an objective approach. So what do you guys think about this change? Let me know in the comment section.